Good day, everybody. It's Chris.
And Joan.
From Chris and Joan's Travels. Well, here we are. This is our embarkation day for the Joy out of Port Canaveral video. This is Port Canaveral. This is Terminal 6. And this is where we started the journey. We go-ported over, and the bus dropped us off where the bus drops people off. And the baggage handlers were there, and they took our bags. Again, though, there's two different terminals. There's Terminal 6 and Terminal 5. They dropped us off at Terminal 6 this time. So a little bit different, a little bit closer, easier walk. So after we got off the bus, we met the baggage handlers. We identified which bags needed to be loaded on the ship. Made sure they were all there. Joni decided to tip the guy for taking care of our bags. I forget exactly what she gave, but I think it was $20. We had 4 bags, and we took our carry-ons that we were carrying, and we started the walk over to the terminal. Okay, so the porter got our bags are in the line. Let's go. Don't worry about it. They're there. I counted them. That was our bus. And now we got to walk over to the terminal. Just in a different row.
Okay.
Very busy place. First one's off, last one in line. So this is Terminal 6. Terminal 6. And you got to go through all the lines. Oh, you gotta go around. Okay. Here's your shortcut. Then why don't you have a block? Put your block in the line. You know, if you're in the Haven, you'd check in right there. Why didn't you get us the Haven, dear? Huh?
Is it you two?
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
You get to cut the line.
I guess.
Yep.
Hello. Okay, we had to stop recording because we were going through security, and then we got in line to get our room keys and check on board. So that's the only bad thing about this. No video during that part. Okay, so as you can see in the background, that's where you get your keys. You're in a line. They send the people to the different stations. You show them your documents, your reservation, then you get your key. So our check-in time was 11:30, and we got here right about 11:30. And by about 12:10, we were walking towards the picture-taking area to get our pictures taken and then walk on the ship. Because at 11 o'clock, it seemed they had started letting people on the ship.
I want to be in your GoPro set. Let's go.
He is. He will be.
Now, which one's the best one?
This one. It is the best one. Come on.
So here's our embarkation photo. I think it came out pretty good. I like these. Kind of different though, because it's white vice blue.
There we go.
Are we going to be seeing you up on the ship?
You will be seeing this person for 7 days.
Yeah, you'll be seeing us.
I like that one. Yeah, we'll go for pictures. Purple team. Photo for you guys. Abuela.
No lo sé.
You get to the top, you're taking this over. Here we go. We got our picture. Now I need to walk onto the ship.
Oh, ven un chingo.
No, pero no tengo cero.
Pero sí tengo un
Pero ¿qué pasa?
Necesitas que la gente sepa que
Look at a different picture. That's the Haven. I want that picture.
Oh, you guys were all with me, right?
No. Is that the same picture? Is that the same picture?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Wow, it's like a whole city out there, huh?
Here we are at the back of the Joy.
You have my key, you know.
You got my key?
Yeah.
Explore Cocoa Beach.
Hi everybody, key cards out and ready please, key cards.
Hello, cards out, please. Need to check the letter in your card. In this way.
Here's the first one right here.
This way.
Hey, record. Up and down. Walking on. We gotta make a big deal. We're making a big deal. We're getting on the ship. This is what it's about. This is the happy walk. It's the happy walk. Get to walk on the ship. This is my happy walk. There's nobody in front of us. We're here till 11. People doing the happy walk. It's happy walk time onto the ship. And we're on the ship. It is 12:24 and we're on the ship. A little later than we wanted, but that's okay. You need to be in front because I got to walk at your pace. Good morning. Or afternoon.
Hi, welcome aboard. Ma'am, your key card, please. Oops.
E7.
E7, one deck down to station 7, please. Thank you. She's going to be one deck up.
Can you walk down the stairs?
Yeah, you got that right here.
So we're having to go to Taste and Savor to do our lifeboat drill. Oh, that's right. They have this on this ship.
Okay. I
You
want to
like
sit on
that?
that and let it fall asleep. Yes, sir. Hello. Welcome
Hello.
aboard.
Thank you. Waiting on the slow lady. Lifeguard.
Hello.
Lifeboat drill.
Yeah. Oh, easy. Thank you, sir.
After you complete your muster drill, the embarkation process is technically complete. You're on your own to do anything you want. You can go eat, you can go schedule shows, entertainment, dinner reservations. That's what the next part of this video will show you. So just kind of stand by for that.
I'm going to ask somebody restaurant reservation.
You first have one.
Are we not worrying about reservations for our anniversary?
You wanted.
Well, you'd have to go get in this line.
You have a plan? Do you know what we're doing?
I have everything except our anniversary. There's no, and I don't even know what you want to do.
Well, if you don't know what you want to do yet, then
We're not going to show reservations. Let's go. Do they do reservations for the comedy clubs? Interest. I just want to know when the shows are. I remember this place. Hello. They're like a show list.
This is the list of the show for the whole cruise.
Okay.
And then only one shows require reservations, or only the wild cards, our main production show.
So that's the only, I already have those.
Yeah. Oh, so the rest will be a walk-in. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, everybody. Well, this has been our embarkation video. We showed you how GoPort got us to the Terminal 6, dropped us off. The guy took our bags. We gave him a little tip. And we were supposed to walk, get in the line to go get in. And then how Joni got pulled out of line and I got to tag along. So we didn't have to wait in the long line. And then they made us stop recording to go through security and getting our key cards. But then you got to see from the time we got pictures all the way until we got on the ship. And then our lifeboat drill. And then when we went down to check out the beverage, if you wanted to, the beverage package, restaurant scheduling, and then the show scheduling. So we showed all that. So hope you guys liked this video. Hopefully it was a little bit informative.
it's a good embarkation. It wasn't that bad.
We've done the we did Terminal 5 last time for Prima, and that one's a little bit different because the bus dropped you off in the parking lot. This one was nice because the bus dropped you off right in front of the terminal.
Yeah, we had to walk a ways last time.
So,
with all the luggage.
Yeah, I think it depends on which ship you're on, is which terminal they use. I think since the Primas are a little smaller, they put you at Terminal 5. The Joy is bigger, they put you at Terminal 6. Don't really know, but that's my guess. So, hope you guys like this video. I'm Chris.
And Joan.
From Chris and Joan's Travels.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below. Let us know what you think of our videos. And how many embarkations have you done? Let us know. Comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.